Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to explore how the CodeMate PR Review Agent can streamline your organization's entire code review process. This tool can seamlessly integrate with any version control system you might be using, whether it's GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, or even Azure DevOps. Let's dive right into a quick demo to see how it operates on GitHub. We've already set up the CodeMate GitHub PR Review Agent, so let's take a look at it in action. One of its key features is automating the pull request process right after you create one. To illustrate, let's look at a recent pull request we created. The moment you initiate a pull request, it provides a description and a comprehensive overview, aiding in your understanding of its purpose. In this example, you can observe how effectively it describes the pull request. It offers a detailed description, outlines the type of the PR, and provides a walkthrough of the changes, all in a very informative manner. Moreover, it indicates precisely where the changes have been made, even pinpointing specific lines, which is incredibly useful during code reviews. Besides just describing the PR, it conducts an extensive automatic code review as soon as the PR is created. You'll notice it performs relevant tests, including assessing the estimated effort for review, identifying security vulnerabilities, evaluating code quality concerns, and more. It presents solutions and potential impacts, detailing any issues and their possible effects. If you have any questions, you can effortlessly inquire by typing "Ask" followed by your question. For instance, you might ask, "Is proper error handling added in this commit?" By commenting with "Ask," you'll soon receive an answer tailored to your commit. It promptly begins preparing a response to your inquiry. In mere seconds, it provides assistance, perhaps noting, "Proper error handling isn't added in this commit, specifically in this function." Its context-aware nature, having comprehensive knowledge of the entire code base, aids in understanding and responding to any questions you have. You also have access to a range of commands detailed in our documentation that you can execute, such as PR labeling, adding documentation, and more. Thank you for joining us, and I hope this brief overview has given you insight into how the PR Review Agent functions.